Hello and welcome to Mr. Thompson's Math Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. Okay, so today let's look at these two fractions. I've got 1/2 and 1/4. Now, the actual multiplication symbol has a lot of meaning. It means groups of. And this is an important concept. I'm essentially saying that I have a half a group of 1/4, so a half a group of 1/4, or I could think of it the other way, that I have a quarter of a group of 1/2. In either case, I'm looking at groups of another group. So I'm going to use a quick draw here to see how we can visualize what's happening. So first of all, I'm going to draw my 1/2. So I've got this nice convenient square that I've drawn earlier here, and here's my 1/2 right here. This is 1/2. Okay, I'm going to put 1/2 above. So 1/2. Okay, and then of course this side is my 1/4. So I'm going to highlight that in a different color. How about blue? So I'm highlighting that. Okay, now. What we're looking at is we're looking at a quarter of a group of 1/2 or a half a group of 1/4. So if I think about this, wherever these two things overlap, and you can see that here where the color turned green, okay? So right here, they overlap, just there. That's actually my answer. That is my half of a group of a quarter or my quarter group of a half, okay? So let's see, what does that actually equal to? Well, my whole here, which is the entire rectangle, is divided into 8 pieces, and only one of those pieces has that overlap in green. That would give me 1, which means that 1/2 times 1/4 is equal to 1/8. I don't know if you noticed the pattern here, but you can kind of see that if I multiply the numerators times the numerators, I get 1 times 1, which is 1. And if I multiply the denominators by the denominators, I get 2 times 4, which is 8. And that gives me my 1/8 also. I wonder if that would work in a different case. Let's have a look. So down here, I've got 2/3 times 3/4. Okay, so again, what I'm asking is this question. What is 2/3 of a group? Remember, this is groups. So this is 2/3 groups of 3/4. Sorry, I'm misspeaking here. 2/3 groups of 3/4. I'm going to draw my model again. You can see that the vertical here is actually my 2/3. So let's see, I'm going to write that above. This is my 2/3, and this is my 3/4. Now, how do I know that this is 2/3? Because it's divided into 3 pieces. So there's 1 piece, there's 2 pieces, there's 3 pieces, and I know this is my 3/4 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight my 2/3. So this whole thing is 2/3. So I'm highlighting all of this. All of this is 2/3 right here. Okay, good. Now I'm going to highlight my 3/4 in a different color. So I'm going to use blue again. And all of this is going to be my 3/4. It's 3 of the 4 pieces that I've made in this rectangle, all the way down to here. Okay, I count the total number of pieces that my whole is divided into. In this case, it would be, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is out of 12, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are highlighted. So 6 out of the 12 are highlighted. So that would tell me that this is 6/12, or another way to look at it would be 1/2. Let's see if we multiply numerator times numerator across the top and denominator times denominator across the bottom if we get the same answer. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12, and I can see that these two things are equal. Thanks for watching.